Reddit's been buzzing about the best side hustles for 2025, and one thing's clear: easy money doesn't exist. But smart money does. Here are 3 of the most recommended hustles, ranked by Reddit users themselves. Number 1. Selling digital downloads. One Redditor made $700 in their first month with just a budget tracker. No inventory, no shipping, just Canva and creativity. But you'll need patience. Most say it took 30 to 60 days to get that first sale. Next, the balanced side hustle. Microtask gigs. Sites like Clickworker and Microworkers pay small amounts, but they add up. One user said, "It covered my electric bill and got me into copywriting." Low risk, quick wins, flexible hours. And finally, the high pay, high skill side hustle. Local service arbitrage. One Redditor made $4,000 in 3 months by booking cleanings and hiring classmates to do the work. You book the job, outsource the labor, and keep the margin. Low effort or high skill Reddit is full of money moves that actually work. Subscribe for the next smart hack pulled straight from the comments. This is Threaded Wealth signing off.